That is the highest mountain.
The highest mountain in Java?
Yes,
Wow.
in Java. All
So
of Java.
large. Wow.
That is 3,600
Meters?
yeah,
Wow.
from the city.
It's stunning. We love Java.
Java's our favorite.
Live in here.
Move here?
You see like this?
Uh-huh.
That is the highest mountain in there.
Oh, wow.
That's that
And the Bromo, behind the Bromo usually.
one?
Oh, got it. Okay, so that's the one by Bromo?
Yes.
Got it. So that's the one we hiked. We hiked Bromo.
Yeah, I know.
We hiked Bromo.
Very nice.
We love Bromo.
We love Bromo. That was
Big Bromo girls.
my favorite day, I think.
Is this
Just gotta
necessary?
get ready for her close up.
No, I don't want my girlfriend to see this. She's gonna judge me.
What are you doing?
I'm really bad. This is why I date Sierra. And other reasons, but don't look. The nature's so beautiful. The food is so good. It's beautiful here. Canggu who?
Thank you.
Are we kidding?
Canggu who? This is what I feel like this is what Sidiman looks like.
Yeah, like
This
the videos.
is-
Take a picture from here, Tess.
Oh wow.
Stunning.
Is it Malang or Malang?
What?
How do you say Malang?
Malang.
Malang.
Yeah.
Malang.
Malang in English is a poor.
A pool?
Poor.
Poor.
Poor. Oh, fuck.
Malang. Malang. So that's why. Poor city.
That's funny.
Shannon wants to go to a cockfight.
No, I don't. I
Yes, she
really
does.
don't. No,
She does. It's cultural.
you want to go.
I'm dying to go.
Yeah, exactly. The truth comes out. I don't want to see that. Doni, have you ever seen a chicken fight?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are they fun?
Yeah. In my village,
Uh-huh.
close to my home,
Yeah.
they have a
The ring.
small stadium to see the chicken fight. And I pay for that.
We're making our way to Tumpak Sewu, and there's a bunch of waterfalls that you have to hike through to get there. Should be fun. Oh my god. She's off. So we have to hike up this. We have to walk through a waterfall to get to the next waterfall. Not walk, we have to climb. Climb up the wall. Climb.
Thank God we paid for local guides.
What the fuck? So funny. It's like, Shannon, I don't want to get wet before we get to the main waterfall.
And you're like, I don't want to explore this one. I'm like, I think we just walk through it.
We're at Goa Tetes.
Goa Titties.
Goa titties. Goa big titties. Yeah, it's sick.
It looks mystical.
Look at this.
We can walk through. How did you do that? What happened?
There's a decline.
That's ridiculous. There's nothing here, by the way.
There's a decline. There's literally a decline.
One step down.
Yeah, and I caught the decline real nice. That was fun. That was fun. Climbed up this waterfall and we don't feel like climbing up that.
So why?
What?
This is why we don't feel like it.
I mean, we could. Well, okay, never mind.
Doesn't seem real safe.
This has been the most insane trail of my life. Legit, look at this. We're literally hiking through the waterfall the entire time. It's like 90 degrees down. I'm not wearing shoes. What rainbow? Oh, there's a rainbow over there. I didn't have breakfast. Yeah, great trail. It's fun. This is nuts.
Look at this. So lush there. And then it's like black rock.
Wow. Wow. Tell us the update.
So we climbed down multiple waterfalls. Now we're in this huge, I don't know.
It's majestic.
Majestic, otherworldly thing made across this waterfall. Thank God it's really slow. Doesn't look easy.
We're so happy we didn't get a guide today. The one day we need it. Where's our guide to hold our hand? Fuck.
She's emotional from seeing the nature. So cute. Cracking. Shooting a music video.
Waterfall, Tumpak Sewu Waterfall of my dreams. Woo! I love it. It's so beautiful. Stunning. Got the rainbow. Gay pride. 3. Okay. 2. Meanwhile, the Malaysians down there.
Woo! Alright, Boggy. So we were at Tumpak Sewu for a bit. Now we're walking back. We're honestly drained. We didn't have breakfast today. The views are insane. Like, my brain hurts from being stimulated so much by so much beauty. This is the view in front of us. Wow. Wow. Wow! Indonesia. It's the most beautiful place I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't like to compare places, but Indonesia just has a lot of just the most beautiful stuff I've ever seen. Java, every single day in Java has been mind-blowing.
Oh wow. Taste the rainbow, Shannon. Turn around. Yeah. Yeah. What a trail.
Vlog back. I would just like to show you all the trail. That's the trail. I love it here. How's it going? It's going. Hi. Hello. I don't really get it. It's so funny. Such a lovely trail. Such a lovely trail. haven't slipped once, so we're dope.
That little rock.
Hi Vloggy. So, just finished the wet part of the trail. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I did the entire trail barefoot from when you get wet, which is starting right
local
there.
guy just helped me on a section. I have to admit, him holding my hand down felt nice. I can't believe what we just did today.
Anyways, yeah, did the entire trail barefoot. Got a lot of rock pressure, I guess, in my feet, which is good for you, and I grounded, I guess. Not that I don't know.
Now, next is your throat chakra.
Yeah, I need her to do Reiki on me. Reiki?
Reiki.
It's closed. Alright. Now we just have to hike up, which is
I'm
going to be
making
chill.
a head start.
Okay.
Remember when we thought we'd go to 3 waterfalls?
We did!
No, 3 different locations.
No. No. So